Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Litecoin from Bitmart to Phantom Wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, I'll break it down step by step so you can do this in no time. First off, ensure you have a Bitmart account set up and your Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. Phantom is great for various cryptocurrencies, including Litecoin, but double-check compatibility for 2025 updates. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your email, phone, or username and password. Once in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section to see your holdings. Step 2. Locate Litecoin in your asset list and click on it. Then, select the Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter your Phantom Wallet address. This is critical, so copy it directly from your Phantom app and paste it in. Remember, Litecoin transactions use the Litecoin network, so ensure your wallet is configured correctly to avoid any issues. Step 4. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the network fees. They can vary based on market conditions in 2025, so aim to withdraw enough to cover them. Step 5. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, verify the withdrawal with the code sent to your device. This adds an extra layer of security. Step 6. Review all the details on the confirmation page, then hit Confirm. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Phantom Wallet and check your balance. Your Litecoin should be there. A quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and never share your wallet address publicly to prevent scams. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Litecoin. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.